Hey guys, I'm getting a lot of questions on UVXY and for good reason, so I just thought I'd do another video on vol here. Um, Look, I yesterday on this first pop here in the VIX, I mean I put out some puts, but you got to keep your positions really small here. All right, and I'm going to show you in a second. I explained this in another video, but it's not good enough just to trade directionally based on UVXY chart or the VIX chart. You need to really look at S&Ps because that's going to tell you when um, the trend is breaking. So we had one big down day today. I don't disagree with putting out short positions here. Probably have to play it through the puts because it's tough to get the shares. Um, Better way to play it anyway. But you keep this short. So we've had 11 or 12 winning trades this year. Core position trades this year on UVXY. We only play this on the short side. Haven't had a losing um, trade on it this year. And it's always the same process. You can see this first time that we had a pop here, you start building the position, but you got to keep it small when you're early. And I still think we're early. So there's two big points here. People are asking what's the short-term outlook. Again, I wouldn't play UVXY long on a swing time frame. Absolutely no way. The decay is terrible. You want to stay with the edge, which this thing continues to just make lower lows. Last time we were up here at 20, my call was that the UVXY would get cut in half, and we went to basically, I think, 10 or 11 yesterday, maybe even a 9 handle. So that got cut in half. Is exactly what happened. Every time we get a big pop, this thing gets cut in half. So you don't want to play this on the long side overnight. Okay, if you want to day trade it, that's different, completely different. I'm all for that. You have to have your own day trade process for that. But this is a big area right here. Just looking at UVXY. So I played it a little bit short. I didn't put anything else on into the close. I'm not really in a rush because I think this one down day in S&P can probably experience another. If it doesn't and we come back down, then maybe you can still short more. I just don't think there's any rush to trade this on the short side. But this is a big area, and then this is going to be key. I think this 19-20 area, even 21, this is where you want to be thinking about establishing a core short for the intermediate and longer term. It's the same thing we did up here, same thing we did on this pop, 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 same thing we did on this pop. All right, and I'll just point out real quick. I mean, on S&Ps, again, it's easier to trade S&Ps from a directional standpoint than the VIX because the VIX is going to be based off of S&Ps. Well, you're not going to really get the big breakdown here unless you break 23.25. So you got the bands here, you got 23.23. So there's still a chance here that stocks hold trend. That's the level needs to break. If that breaks, then you got to be probably really patient on UVXY, and you just need to wait, really wait to set the core short. You got to wait for much deeper levels in S&Ps. So again, it comes down to how you play it, how you manage your risk. That's what we do on our team. This is, I don't know, some of you may be new to what we do or my company. It's jenkinsrm.com, but we trade the UVXY. It's one of our favorite strategies. I posted this in our chat room a while ago. We keep track of our results, all timestamp, put in the room. And we just trade our same model over and over again. If you're interested in that, guys, you can go to jenkinsrm.com is the name of my company. That's me. We have a chat room. It's free to join that. We have a trading team, which I call my full access team. You can get a trial for that. And we're making calls here. This is our chat room. This is our trading floor, a real-time alerts product. This is what we do all day. We trade together. We day trade. But we do like to trade vol and UVXY. And the model just works great with it. But you do have to know how to work a position, so that's what we do. Anyway, guys, hope that helps on volatility, and I'll talk to you in the morning.